much. I love him, but I didn't love him, but I love him.
Who do you love?
Bieber.
Who?
Bieber.
Who's Bieber?
Bieber Fever.
Oh. Why do you love him?
So he likes me, I like him.
He likes you, so you like him?
Yeah, and so he likes me, I like him. So, go do that.
Have you ever met him?
Yeah.
You've met him?
Yeah.
How?
When he dissed me.
He kissed you?
When he dissed me.
He kissed you?
When he dissed me, well, he liked me too.
When he kissed you, you knew he liked you too?
I like him, so I diss him.
You want to kiss him?
Yeah.
How old are you?
How about a hug? Can you just hug him?
How old are you? Count. So you only hugging, okay? So say, Bieber, you gotta hug me, okay, honey? You gotta hug.
I'll say, Bieber, I did this, you, I didn't hug you only.